Well, this is a little sugar bowl made by Royal Chelsea Pottery. How do we know that? Because it's not marked. Well, we know this little rosebud pattern design 1433. It's normally marked, but this was made by Royal Chelsea under a variety of different brands, and sometimes as an unbranded line, sold exclusively under agreements with some of the China houses that were retailing this. It was a very popular pattern, and this actual one is Decorators Mark 11139. It's not very easy to read, Mark, but there's certainly no Royal Chelsea identification on there. This one is subject to almost universal fine crackle glaze crazing over the surface. Can you see that? It's porcelain china, glazed, and then these are all hand coloured, transfer printed. And this particular version of this sugar bowl has got very minimal outer wall decoration on it, just those three blocks of hand coloured and a little bit of smudging on it. Rotating vertical scallop, quite coarse scallop trim, and then the rest of the decoration is all on the inner wall. Beautiful little pink, turquoise and green rosebuds repeating itself all around the inner wall of this sugar basin. Some feathering on the gilt around the rims, a little bit of moth-eaten wear on this one, but it's coming up quite an old piece of china, this. I'm not sure whether we can be too precise on the dates because this pattern was produced over a long period of time, but I suspect this is probably nearing antique, if not already antique. A very pretty little bit of minimally decorated but very beautiful English bone china in the 1433 rosebud design by Royal Chelsea. Follow the links below. Do explore the website on rosebud designs and 1433 pattern reference. If you put that into the search bar when you hit the website, should pull all the other pieces. Some of those are more clearly marked with the factory of origin producing this beautiful little pattern. Thanks for watching.